The discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls. The Dead Sea Scrolls, discovered in the 1940s in the Qumran caves near the Dead Sea, are widely considered to be one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. The scrolls, which date back to the Second Temple period, 516 BC to 70 AD, include fragments of every book of the Old Testament, as well as many other Jewish texts and documents. The discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls has had a significant impact on the field of biblical textual criticism, the study of the history and development of the text of the Bible. Prior to the discovery of the scrolls, the oldest known copies of the Hebrew Bible dated back to around the 10th century AD. The scrolls, however, were written between the 3rd century BC and the 1st century AD, providing scholars with a much earlier and more accurate representation of the text. The Dead Sea Scrolls are the oldest known biblical manuscripts in existence, predating the oldest extant copies of the Masoretic text by over 1,000 years, says Dr. Lawrence Schiffman, a Dead Sea Scrolls expert and professor at New York University. They have greatly enhanced our understanding of the development of the Hebrew Bible and the diversity of beliefs among Jews at the time of the Second Temple. The discovery of the scrolls have also reinforced the reliability of the Bible. The scrolls revealed that the text of the Hebrew Bible had been accurately transmitted over the centuries, with only minor variations. This has led many scholars to conclude that the Bible, particularly the Old Testament, can be trusted as an historical document. There are some interesting facts about these unique scrolls as well. For example, the scrolls were written in Hebrew, with some written in Aramaic, and are believed to have been written by the Essenes, a Jewish sect that lived in the area around the Dead Sea. The scrolls were discovered in a series of 11 caves by a Bedouin shepherd in 1947. Initially, the scrolls were placed in the hands of antiquities dealers, who sold them to various institutions and private collectors. Today, the scrolls are housed in the Shrine of the Book in Jerusalem, the British Library in London, and the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C. In conclusion, the discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls has had a profound impact on our understanding of the history and development of the text of the Bible and has reinforced the reliability of the Bible as an historical document. The scrolls provide valuable insight into the beliefs and practices of the Jewish people during the Second Temple period and have greatly enhanced our understanding of the history of Judaism and the origins of Christianity. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.